Hi, welcome to the world of baking with Villa Chefs. Today we show you how to make a simple Italian bread called focaccia at home. Take 165 ml of lukewarm water and dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar into it. Meanwhile, weigh 250 grams of all-purpose flour and add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it really well. Now pour the yeast and water mix into the flour and mix well to bring it together. Now knead the dough, stretching it and folding it back in. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the dough. You have to knead for at least 10 minutes for the gluten to activate. After this, apply some olive oil on the surface of the dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it prove for 1 hour. After this, take the dough and knead this slightly to release any locked air. Take a baking tray and sprinkle this with polenta or corn bits. If you do not have polenta, you may skip this step. Now flatten and spread this dough onto the baking tray. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the surface of the flattened dough. Now place a basil leaf with half a cherry tomato on the dough as shown. Once all the basil and tomato are placed, cover and keep the dough for 30 minutes. During this time, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, bake the dough for 20 minutes, and then check if required and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. Take out the bread out of the oven and transfer it to a cutting board. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some salt on the bread. Now, let the bread rest for at least 10 minutes. The full list of ingredients and method is in the description box below. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue to bring you easy and simple dishes from around the world. Signing out, the Villa Chef.